Do you want to contribute to the CrowdWater project and add a new stream type spot? You can do so for any stream you want, no matter how big or small it is. In the app, click on the black plus symbol and select the category Stream Type. Make sure that your position is correctly shown on the map. Otherwise, drag the map to the correct location. First of all, take a picture of the stream. A perfect picture includes some reference objects in or at the water body. This way, other citizen scientists can see where you took the picture and what the stream looks like. If you're happy with the picture, you can upload it by clicking on OK. Decide on the size of your stream. Is it a trickle, a stream, a river, or a large river? Is this water clean enough that you would drink it? Is it clean enough that you would swim in it if it was safe? Is the water body natural or controlled? You can add information about the type of riverbed. There are several different materials given in the app. Choose the one that fits best. You can also choose the color that best describes the color of the water from a list of possibilities. Indicate if you see the riverbed and if you can see any fish or other living beings in the water. If you can see any pollution in the water, you can enter your observation in the corresponding text field. Finally, mark the checkbox if the water body you observe dries up sometimes. If the stream carries water all year round, you can leave the checkbox blank. You may also enter the name of the water body. Check if the date and time of your observation are correct. Then save the spot. Thanks a lot for your contribution.